Hello, this is Mario from Team M-Bomb, and as you can see, we're in a soldier's helicopter. I'm hoping this will get me many views. So I hope you enjoy this.
Look at the helmets they use.
You can see
The helmets. The helmets they use as a goggles. Over there.
Oh yeah! Please don't read it.
Look at
Hi.
the seat where they sit all the soldiers. Look. The seat they put it down, you see? And they sit it down there.
Soldiers sit. Helmet. So I don't really know what that is. So we're halfway in now. We're in. You can see all this
A lot of soldiers that sit in this. Look.
So this is
Look how many seats. On both sides. Both sides, look. On the other side too.
Is it done, MJ? Almost.
Imagine how they feel when they go up with this thing.
So
What's San Diego's that? San Diego?
Over down the ropes.
This thing is dangerous.
Hi.
Yeah, I know, on my hand.
So
That's the emergency eggs. Emergency eggs.
So there's an emergency exit right
See the
there.
sign over there? Look at the sign.
Yes.
There's the emergency.
Wait.
I know. Yes, baby. What?
So we're gonna go a little bit up to the front. See all that crazy stuff? This is a really neat helicopter. And that's the side. So
Did you see all the gadget they got in the cabin where the pilot is? Look.
So and
The soldier that sit over
this
there.
is real. So
When they take off.
we seem to be moving up just a little bit. We're almost to the front. So we're almost to the front. And I see the front window. Almost. So this helicopter is 50 years old. They use it in the military. How old is it? About 50 years old. I'm Jay.
During Vietnam War.
Yeah, maybe in the Vietnam War. I don't know what it's called. So we're up almost at the front. Yeah.
Window.
It's gonna fix the pilot.
Yes, baby.
Oh. So we're almost at the front. So this looks like a soldier in the
Yes, we have
military.
hoods. We can lift
Hello.
tanks,
Tanks.
Humvees, artillery.
And you,
Wow.
what? Oh man, it's too crowded. Oh. Excuse me?
Yeah.
How old is this plane?
This helicopter's been active since the 80s. You're welcome. Thank you.
Oh, it's been around since the 80s. And you can see the control panel right way up there. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.